Hello everybody. Today we'll be unboxing an Xbox Series X. Just got it, it's brand new. As you can see here, it has all the lettering, all the jargon on the box here. 4K up to 120 frames, up to 8K dynamic range, velocity, variable refresh rates, and also a 4K Blu-ray player. And it's pretty much the box. That's this side here. Nothing much, just showing the console standing up on its vertical here. In the back, we're seeing a picture of Forza. I know the other boxes have a picture of Halo on the back, but because I got this now, it has a picture of Forza on it. And it has the same stuff you saw on the side here, but this one's talking about getting Game Pass and velocity again, and how it's the most powerful console ever made. So, without further ado, we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what we get inside. We gotta get past these extra sticky tabs here, but I'm not gonna bother peeling it. It'll take about 5 hours. So, we're gonna cut it open. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay, that's one down. Just got another one here. Oh, I got the other side here. Okay. Alright, the tabs are now cut. I believe it has to be opened from the side, so let me see here. Got some noisy dogs outside. Oh, my bad. More stickers on the bottom here. Wow. Cut one, cut two. Alright, now we're good to go. We're good to go now. It's kind of heavy. Here we go. Ready? Let's open the box. Nice and steady. Ooh, look at that, huh? Very nice. Foam is extra hard. Very firm packaging. Up here you have the same kind of foam. Very strong. And let's try and tilt it up for you. Let's power your dreams. So if you're dreaming, this is the machine for you right here. So let's try and let's go for this small box here in the back. What's going on here? Alright, so we have here, got in the box, a whole bunch of goodies, so you can tell. Alright, so we have here power cord, alright. Then we have here the HDMI cable for the system, and it's an ultra high speed HDMI. I think it's 2.1, so you can play your 120 frames per second. And we have some more crap. No one cares about that. And we have here, ooh, the control, nice and heavy. Let me see. To the side. Open it up. Let's see what we got here. Nice, huh? Very nice. Back has grip. Very textured and get a good grip on it. Even on the button on the triggers here, you can see there's a grip on it. Textured, very nice. In the front, very flat, matte black color here. Clicky D-pad, very good. Feels very nice, just like the last one, but has a much better feel to it. Feels a little smaller, but very tiny. And it has a lot of better grip in your hand, not gonna slip. And a new button here I've never noticed before. I think it's what's called a share button right here. I guess when I share up your game clips, if you're beating somebody up in a game, whatever, throw it out there. And it comes with 2 AA batteries, so no one is spending extra money on that. Let's put that to the side, and let's get to the part everybody wants to see, which is the system itself. Oh wow, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. It's a big boy. Alright. Inside, under the machine, we have, what is this? Getting started, or you can use an Xbox app to set up your machine. Just pretty much just literature. You don't need it for anything. So I think this is the bottom here. Actually, hold on. The tab. Open that up. Oh, okay. Alright. Wow. Okay. That's the back of it, I assume. Nice packaging. Reminds me of like a tower PC almost. Alright. Open this up. At the top. At the bottom. I want to drop it, let's put it down. Alright. Oh my god, look at this. Woo-hoo. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. They have the eject button here, the disc tray, the power button. Guess that's for syncing the controller. One USB port. You have the bottom stand here, which is fixed on it, can't move, doesn't spin or anything like that. This bad boy up. Okay. Oh wow, okay. Put it down carefully. There we go. Oh, let's show you the top of the machine. If you turn it to an angle, you can see the green inside. Nice touch on Microsoft's part there. Inside here it says Xbox. Here, I'll show you the back of the inputs I should say. We have here a USB, actually two of them. I guess it's where you want to put an external hard drive, Ethernet port, power, HDMI out, and the storage expansion for the SSD, if you choose to get one. Oh, everything's falling around here. Let's put this down. Okay, very heavy, sturdy machine, very sturdy. Very nice design to it. And that's about it right there. Series X. And you can play it vertically or horizontally. Personally, I like this position for it. Depending on your entertainment stand that you have at home, you might want to put it like this. But at least they save you some money by giving you the stand for free, so I guess that's good. And as you can tell here on the bottom, as with every Xbox console you see they bring out now, Hello from Seattle on it. So they're saying thank you for purchasing it, I assume. So this machine comes with 1 terabyte of storage, so plenty of room to store a lot of games, but not all of it. You might have to buy an SSD for external hard drive. Preferably you should get a 3.0 hard drive with a 3.0 cable. Faster transfer speeds should help you get to your games quicker. There you go, there's your Xbox next generational console, Series X, 120 frames, 4K, 8K gaming. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will be back to show you my impressions of the machine once I put a Papa Game in here, show you the download speeds for it. And until then, thanks a lot.